Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you all to a UNESCO World Heritage. It is a very beautiful place. Hope you will like this video and know more about that place. I went to this place by car. The car has to pass through many tunnels and then we reach to this UNESCO World Heritage. Now here comes the Shirakawago. So it is a UNESCO World Heritage. It's a village basically where you can see steep roof houses. It looks very beautiful in snow, in spring, in autumn, in every year. You can come to this village by bus or by car. If you are coming by bus, you can come from Takayama, Kanazawa, Toyama, or you can want to stay here for some nights. You can stay. It's overnight or something like that in some farmhouse. Shirakawa-go is a Japanese mountain settlement in what was once considered a wild and unexplored region. Because of the area's natural environment with high mountains and heavy snowfall, interaction with neighboring regions was limited. However, this also created the condition for the development of a unique culture, practices and lifestyles here. Shirakawa-go is located in the northwestern part of Gifu Prefecture in the approximate center of Japan. The name Shirakawa-go is taken from the traditional Japanese name for the region used in ancient times. It equates to the modern administrative area of Shirakawa village. Additionally, the village is situated in a wider historical region known as Hida. Today, the names are often combined, giving the name Hida Shirakawa-go. As I have given few information about the location of this village, now if you see this area, it's such a beautiful. You can see houses which are having a steep roof. The roofs are very fat, thick actually, basically covered by fodder or grass. And here comes, as we are moving now towards the hanging bridge. This bridge at the both sides is been support is there, but at the middle there is no support of this bridge. It's known as Shirakawa-go hanging bridge. And now we have to be on the left side of the bridge because only one by one people have to go and reach to the main Shirakawa village. This is basically a river. The river is covered by ice now because of heavy snow and drop of temperature. So this is one of the house. You can see the trees are fully covered with snow. This is such a beautiful place. You can see the height of the snow is approximately 2 to 3 meters. It is in the high peak time, so you will see that much amount of snow here. And you will find few shops here. The oldest traces of human life in Shirakawa-go are artifacts dating back to between 7000 BC and 2300 BC. Multiple articles of pottery have been excavated, painting a picture of an independent Hida interacting with the surrounding areas. So this shows that this is not a village which is modern as such or has been built some 1000 years. It is more than that. It is from the BC this village is, and you can see the amount of snow and how the hills are being covered by snow. A lot of people comes here. The trees are covered with snow for it to be holding the snow, and trees branches do not break. They have been tied with ropes in this place. You can see the overall view here. Even though if you try to take an umbrella, it's very difficult to withstand the amount of wind and the amount of snow it's falling. It is better to have some thick jacket and wear that. These houses are known to be as Gassho style houses, which are built from wooden beams that support their characteristic steeply sloped thatched roofs that meet a high peak and are said to resemble hands meeting in prayer. They are a large form of the architectural style of thatched gabled roofs known as sasu structure. While similar buildings are seen in other provinces, in Shirakawa-go, this style of building known as gabled Gassho style, with its triangular shaped eaves resembling an open book propped up on its covers, is ideally adapted to the natural condition in Shirakawa-go, characterized by great weights of snow deposited during heavy snowfalls. Additionally, the structures face to the north and south, taking the Shirakawa-go predominant wind direction into account and minimizing the wind resistance, while controlling the amount of sunlight hitting the roof to provide cool summers and warmer winters. One of the ways in which Gassho-style houses differ from other traditional Japanese houses is that the attics are employed as workspaces. From the Edo to the early Snow era, sericulture, the silk production, was foundation industry supporting the people of the village. The large attic spaces under the eaves were usually divided into 2 to 4 layers and put to effective use in the rearing of silkworm. For those who are trying to visit during the winter, during the winter season, you can see a lot of snowfall from December through March. When visiting in winter, please dress warmly. As I have told before, waterproof coats are recommended, as are long boots or warm shoes with grippy soles to avoid slipping on the snow, because this snow keeps on melting as people walk on this path, so it's better to wear snow boots. Additionally, there is a danger of fresh snow obscuring holes, ponds or irrigation ditches. Please, you have to take care about that and walk safely. The popular annual Shirakawa-go light up event is held for a very limited period only. So for people who want to go during this period and want to stay during the night time, it's better to see the Shirakawa official website and get to know which period or which dates they will light up the whole village. It's look very beautiful from the top of the hills. You can go to the top of the hill and see the overview of the whole village as such and see the lightning. It's a very pleasant to see that. I will highly recommend you all to come during winter and during cherry blossom, because this place during winter it look like a wonderland, and during cherry blossom time it's look very pinky village, because everywhere you'll see the cherry blossom flowers and trees there. You can see these houses. These houses basically some are like modern type houses, but maximum of them you can see the original which was talking about the Gassho style houses. You can see the amount of snow that are being there on the top of the roof is very natural to see during this winter, high peak winter time, where you can see a lot of snowfall here. Here we come here for eating rice ball type with cheese on top of it. It's being roasted and they are giving veg here, but you can try different types. These are made with rice. So they initially boil the rice, then they smash it and make this balls type, and then they roast it with some like masala spices, and then we can have that. It's very tasty actually. Now here from the top view of the village, you can see how the Shirakawa-go village looks like. These are top of the mountain. You can walk from this side. You can see the path. You can come up and you can see this village. See the amount of number of houses which are there here and how beautifully it looks. and this type of houses you can like when they do illumination, it looks very beautiful during the night time. So here I end my video on Shirakawa-go. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do comment if you have any questions.